in to testify in defence of the Paralympian who is charged with murdering his girlfriend, former model Reeva Steenkamp. Pistorius shot and killed her through the locked door of his toilet in his Pretoria home on February 14 last year. Now, for the latest, let's cross to Chriselda Lewis, who's outside the North Gauteng High Court, as always. Good morning, Chriselda. Nice to have you outside the court after a week away.
Thank you very much, Evan. Good morning.
Chriselda, Mr. Wolmarans is on the stand today. Just quickly recap for us the sort of holes in the testimony, as it were, and then also what's expected today.
Well, Evan, Tom Wolmarans was considered as one of the best in this business, and listening to the various analysts speak about how he would give testimony. I mean, Tom Wolmarans has extensive experience in this industry, and really the showing that he gave on the stand after he was cross-examined by Chriselda really brought a lot into question. First of all, starting with the reports that Chriselda had asked for relating to the investigations that he'd done, the findings that he'd done following his investigations, and it emerged in court that he'd only completed that final report which he gave to the defense team only 3 weeks ago, and this is 2 months into the Oscar Pistorius murder trial. So one would really ask questions about whether Tom Wolmarans was ready for this, whether the defense team was also ready to present its case by bringing Wolmarans onto the stand. It also emerged during the cross-examination that he had a drink or taken Roger Dixon, the forensic geologist, for a drink. Before, you would know that Roger Dixon did testify before Wolmarans. So the insinuation by the state is that Wolmarans had changed or tailored his evidence to suit the defense of Oscar Pistorius. So really questions relating to the state of readiness of the defense in this regard. And then also we saw Wolmarans contradicting the very man who he's supposed to be defending, Oscar Pistorius, in that he says that by mere virtue of the fact that there was blood on the legs of the magazine rack indicates that Reeva Steenkamp's body was next to the magazine rack, but Oscar Pistorius has always maintained that there was no magazine rack there. It had been towards the far right. So really another blow for Oscar Pistorius in that regard. So we're waiting to see what will happen again in cross-examination this morning. We were expecting Chriselda to continue to poke holes in Tom Wolmarans' testimony.
Chriselda, how long do we expect things to still continue this week before matters are wrapped up, do you think?
Well, certainly all indications at this stage, Eben, are that the case might come to an end tomorrow. Well, the defense had indicated that at least by Tuesday they should have called their last witness. So we're expecting that to happen, if not tomorrow, even perhaps the latest on Friday. But certainly this week the defense has indicated that it will wrap up its case, and we'll see who are the last witnesses to be called to the stand as the defense wraps up.
Chriselda, thank you very much this morning. Chriselda Lewis keeping us updated for what's happening at the Oscar Pistorius murder trial. Of course, Chriselda, the trial goes live on this very channel in about 25 minutes' time. Just after past, we'll try and cross lines straight in.